So you might be wondering why the iOS 27 Beta 4 is just not installing. So you're going through and you're basically, using this particular software update, but for some reason in this beta just isn't installing no matter what you're doing. So this is going to be one of those really big things to keep in mind here. Now, number one, the first thing you always want to just look out for is to make sure you have some sort of storage saved on your iPhone. So make your way over into your settings application just like this. Scroll down until you find your general options here. Scroll into iPhone storage and essentially just go through and just make sure you have enough storage saved on your iPhone. This is always going to be one of the most concerning things. So as long as you can just go through, make sure your iPhone is good to go here, that is going to be one of the big problems. So just go through, make sure there's enough storage. Also, make sure you have an iPhone that supports iOS 27. So an iPhone 11 or above supports this update. So as long as you have one of those iPhones, you should be good to go from that side as well. Now, on top of that, another thing you're going to have to keep in mind here too is that within iOS 27, specifically within Beta 4, you're going to have to remember that you will also have to be able to, clear out as much storage, make sure you have an iPhone that's updatable, but also adapt your particular general settings and change it for that settings. So go inside of your general settings right over here, click on software update, and then go through under beta updates. You just want to make sure that this beta showcases one of these types of betas here. So whether it's the public beta or the developer beta, as long as it's one of these, that's also going to help you out as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and kind of fix this problem. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.